Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the CritiCall test for aspiring 911 dispatchers. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the CritiCall dispatcher test, a crucial step for anyone looking to start a career in emergency dispatch. Let's dive in and explore what makes this test so important. Becoming a 911 dispatcher is not just about answering calls, it's about being at the forefront of emergency response. This role offers a unique chance to save lives, provides job security, and opens up opportunities for career advancement. Dispatchers enjoy competitive benefits and a dynamic work environment. However, the selection process is rigorous and highly competitive. So, what exactly is the CritiCall dispatcher test? This test is a tool used by emergency services agencies to evaluate whether candidates have the skills necessary for high-pressure roles like 911 operators and dispatchers. It's designed to assess your ability to make quick decisions, multitask, and prioritize effectively in stressful situations. While there are 25 different modules, most agencies focus on 10 to 15 common ones to assess your skills. Let's look at some of the key modules you might encounter on the CritiCall test: data entry, call summarization, cross-referencing, decision-making, memory. Recall map reading, prioritization, character comparison, reading comprehension, typing or keyboarding, math. In the data entry module, candidates are evaluated on their accuracy and speed in entering information into a computer system. Success in this module requires fast and accurate typing under pressure. You may encounter either an audio version, a non-audio version, or both. Your primary task is to respond to emergency messages within 15 seconds of their appearance. This requires you to quickly catch essential details and accurately complete as many fields as possible, all while handling new messages that arrive in real time. The challenge intensifies with the recorded version of the data entry module. Here, the data you need to input is not visible for long, and you can't revisit or correct any mistakes once made. In the call summarization module, candidates listen to recorded emergency calls and then summarize the critical information. The focus is on identifying key details and summarizing them accurately. The call summarization module is one of the most prominent and well-known sections of the CritiCall test. There are two types of questions in this module. The first type of question is a short call summarization. You'll hear a brief random recording followed by a single question. This format tests your ability to quickly grasp and summarize essential information from short calls. Second is the longer call summarization. This section features an extended recording of a 911 distress call, complete with more detailed information and multiple questions. It challenges your ability to process and summarize longer, more complex calls. Each type of question is designed to mirror real-life scenarios, helping you build the skills needed to excel as a dispatcher. In the cross-referencing module, you will be asked to match information from databases or documents to respond to specific scenarios or inquiries. In the decision-making module, you will be presented with emergency scenarios and must make quick decisions on how to respond appropriately. The ability to think clearly and make the right decision under pressure is crucial. In the memory recall module, you will be tested on your ability to remember and recall details from previously presented information. A strong memory and attention to detail are essential for success. This module appears in three distinct types. The first type is word pair memorization. You'll be given a list of 3 pairs of words and have 15 seconds to memorize them. Afterward, you'll need to match one word from the list with its previously paired counterpart. For example, you might see penny gum, nickel candy, dime, sucker. Then you could be asked, which word is paired with nickel? The second type is an audio recall question. In this type, you'll hear a sequence of characters or numbers, such as 5, B, 3, 6, G, and 1. After a brief 2-second pause, you'll need to type out what you've just heard. The third type is a phone number recall question. You will need to listen to a series of 7-digit phone numbers like 4, 7, 6, 9, 4, 7, 2, and you must type In the map reading module, candidates must navigate through maps or use geographical information to respond to location-related questions. Geographical awareness and the ability to interpret maps quickly are key skills. Each map contains a compass that shows the map's directions: north, south, east, and west. In the CritiCall test, map reading questions come in two main types. In the best route questions, you will be asked to identify the most direct route between two locations. This task requires you to efficiently navigate and find the quickest path on a map. In the orientation questions, you will start from a given point and follow a series of directions. Your challenge is to determine your final location based on these instructions. Both types of questions assess your ability to interpret maps and directions accurately, essential skills for any dispatcher. In the prioritization module, you will be tested on your ability to prioritize tasks and calls based on their urgency and severity. You'll see a factual statement, and you should choose the best priority category for that statement. To make the best choice, rely on the provided scales. These scales are designed to guide you in identifying which situation requires immediate attention and action. By carefully following these scales, you'll be able to prioritize effectively and address the most urgent needs first. In the reading comprehension module, you'll read passages and answer related questions. This tests your ability to grasp main ideas, understand context, and make inferences. Next is the typing module, where your speed and accuracy are tested. You'll transcribe text as you hear it, focusing on typing quickly and accurately. In the spelling module, you'll need to spell words correctly, based on what you hear or read. Finally, the math module evaluates your basic arithmetic skills. You'll perform calculations and solve practical problems. Most of the questions in this section will be word problems. Proficiency in math is key to managing numerical information effectively during emergencies. To succeed on the CritiCall test, practice is essential. Taking a full-length practice test will help you simulate the actual exam experience, including the time constraints and multitasking requirements. Focus on practicing the modules such as data entry, call summarization, and decision-making to become familiar with the format and types of questions you'll encounter. Here are some frequently asked questions about the CritiCall test. How is the test scored? Scoring is based on keystrokes per hour, words per minute, and section-specific percentages. What score do I need to pass? Typically, a score between 70% and 75% is required, but highly competitive agencies may set higher benchmarks. What happens if I fail? Some agencies may not allow you to proceed, while others may let you retake the test after a period. Preparing for the CritiCall test involves several key steps. 1. Practice using a physical keyboard. Get comfortable with typing quickly and accurately. 2. Familiarize yourself with the test format. Understand the modules and the types of questions you'll face. 3. Learn decision rules. Review guidelines for determining which emergency service to contact. 4. Practice with audio and text-based questions. Use resources that mimic the actual test conditions. In conclusion, while the CritiCall test is challenging, thorough preparation can make a significant difference. This test is an important step toward a rewarding career in emergency dispatch. By practicing the various modules and familiarizing yourself with the test format, you can improve your chances of success. For more resources and practice tests, visit tsatestprep.com. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your preparation. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and resources to help you succeed in your career as a 911 dispatcher.